Good afternoon. This is Heidi Myers, immigration attorney, and today we're going to talk about the new rule ICE just announced July 6, 2020, that international students would not be allowed to remain in the United States if they are taking only online classes. This is a reversal of the policy ICE announced in March. In March, in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, when many universities and colleges closed their campuses and forced the students to depart, ICE announced that they would allow international students to pursue online classes and maintain their immigration status in the United States. Additionally, ICE provided that for those international students who returned to their home country and continued with classes online, that they would be allowed to return to the United States in the fall for the fall semester. Now, ICE has reversed its policy. Now, ICE is saying that if a school is offering only online classes, a student must change their university or college for a college that has in-person classes, or else depart the United States. ICE has also announced that those students abroad who have signed up for classes with the university that's only offering online classes, or they're only taking online classes, may not be allowed to enter the United States. They won't be issued visas and they won't be allowed to enter the United States. In response, MIT and Harvard have filed a lawsuit in federal court in Boston, stating that this change in policy by ICE is arbitrary, capricious, and an abuse of discretion, and that it violates the APA, the Administrative Procedures Act. MIT and Harvard are saying that when ICE made this abrupt decision, reversing the policy it initially stated in March of allowing students to take online classes due to the COVID-19 pandemic, that it was not a product of reasoned decision making. Harvard and MIT point out that many of their faculty are older people, older than 60 years old, who would be quite likely to catch the COVID-19 virus and suffer severe consequences if they had to teach online classes. Additionally, Harvard and MIT asserted standing on behalf of the international students, asserting that those students would suffer grave damages if they were forced to either take in-person classes or depart the United States. Harvard and MIT pointed out that they've been planning for months how to go about dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic and how to responsibly pursue classes in the fall. Additionally, Harvard and MIT have stated that the students who had to go abroad to take classes would suffer as well, because many students come from countries where there is very poor internet access, there are long periods of time with no electricity, there are wars going on, civil wars, and it's impossible for them to stay abroad and take online classes and pursue their education. This case is set for a hearing on Tuesday, July 14th, this coming week, and we will see whether or not the federal court issues a temporary restraining order.